Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by launching PowerPoint and creating a new file so you can work without delay. Once open, pick blank presentation or a template that matches your purpose, template speed layout. Next, set slide dimensions, use design slide size and choose 16, 9 for screens or 4, 3 for older projectors because consistent size avoids scaling issues. Save right away. File save as name the file, select PPTX, and a folder so backup and versioning are simple and automatic. Now you assemble content slide by slide with purposeful structure. Choose a layout from Home Layout, title, 2-column, or blank, so each slide has a clear role and audience focus. Insert visuals via Insert Pictures and immediately compress images to keep the file manageable. Large pictures slow down editing and sharing. For consistent branding, edit Slide Master to lock fonts, colors, and a logo, and then add text boxes and bullet lists directly on slides to keep information scannable. Finish by polishing transitions and verifying flow so your message is clear. Add subtle transitions or animations sparingly and set durations. Once done, rehearse timings or apply transitions to all slides for consistency. Use slideshow from beginning to preview and enable presenter view to see notes and elapsed time while presenting. When exporting, choose File Export to PDF or Video for distribution if fonts look wrong. Embed fonts in File Options, save or switch to standard fonts to avoid compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.